You may have already started your search using public sites such as Zillow, Trulia, or Realtor.com. Sites like this have muddied the waters between buyers and agents, and I recommend you don't use these sites for your home search. Houses you find on these sites may not be available. No one is required to verify the house is actually for sale or required to update a house that was sold. This causes you to inquire about houses that I can't show you because they're not available. Don't waste precious time and get frustrated by looking at houses that aren't available. The Multiple Listing System, MLS, is the best source for available houses. As my client, I offer you complete access to the Multiple Listing System. Agents are required to update this information hourly, so here you can get an accurate local housing status. Zillow and others also have estimated housing values on their sites that are computer generated by an algorithm. People put value on houses, not machines. These estimates can be up to 10% off. That means a house estimated at $200,000 may actually be going for $220,000 or $180,000. This could push that house in or out of your purchase range. The best way to get an accurate understanding of housing values is to use the MLS and gather comparable houses, also known as comps. As an agent that understands the local market better than any machine, I can put together this information for you. I can't stress enough the importance of using a good source of information, like the MLS. It's difficult to make good decisions based on bad information.